Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to send money from Australia to the USA. This step-by-step tutorial will walk you through the process of transferring funds securely and efficiently. First, you need to determine the purpose of the transfer and the amount you want to send. This will help you choose the best transfer method. You can send money for personal or business purposes, and the amount can range from a few dollars to thousands of dollars. Next, you need to choose a transfer method. There are several options available, including bank transfers, online money transfer services, and currency exchange services. Bank transfers are a traditional method, but they can be slow and expensive. Online money transfer services, such as PayPal, TransferWise, and Z Money Transfer, are faster and more cost-effective. Currency exchange services, such as Western Union and MoneyGram, are also available, but they may have higher fees. Once you have chosen a transfer method, you need to gather the necessary information. This includes the recipient's name, address, and bank account details, as well as your own identification and payment information. You will also need to provide the purpose of the transfer and the amount you want to send. Now, let's walk through the steps to send money online. First, go to the website of your chosen transfer service and create an account. This will typically require your name, email address, and password. Once you have created an account, you can log in and start the transfer process. Enter the recipient's details, the amount you want to send, and the purpose of the transfer. You will then be prompted to review the transfer details and pay for the transfer using your chosen payment method. After you have paid for the transfer, the funds will be sent to the recipient's bank account. The transfer time will depend on the method you choose, but most online transfer services can complete the transfer within 1 to 3 business days. You can track the status of the transfer online, and you will receive an email notification when the funds have been sent and received. In terms of fees and exchange rates, these will vary depending on the transfer method you choose. Bank transfers and currency exchange services may have higher fees and less competitive exchange rates, while online money transfer services tend to have lower fees and better exchange rates. It's essential to compare the fees and exchange rates of different transfer services to find the best option for your needs. Finally, make sure to follow best practices to ensure a secure and successful transfer. This includes verifying the recipient's details, using a secure payment method, and monitoring the transfer status. By following these steps and choosing the right transfer method, you can send money from Australia to the USA quickly, securely, and efficiently.